previous video where we generated a account record summary using prompt template. Okay, but this time we will create record summary, but for a field. Okay, so what I have done, I have created a long text area field with length this one because summary could have more characters. Okay, so I have created this field and we will use prompt template to generate account summary. Okay, and then we will save that summary into this field. Okay, so for that, what we need to do, let's go to prompt builder. I've done, clicked on new term from template, then select field generation. Then I have gave generate account summary, generate account description here into the prompt template name. Then I select, let me just give it generate account description. Okay. After that, I select account object. And once you select that object, it will ask you the field for which field you want to generate the summary. So I will select, this time I will select, okay, I will select this one, description using AI. Okay. So this is another one. Okay. Let me just copy paste this. Okay. So we will use this. Just save it. Generate account description to underscore 2. Now we are good. Just test it. Test account, save and preview. Okay, so it is giving us some info. Let me just activate it. Okay, let's go to that count record, edit page. Before we go to edit page, let me check one thing. So if you see here, description using AI field is not here. Let me just edit page and add it to the page. Then we will see what kind of info it will show. First, let me try just to use it like this. Give you a field section here first, because I have not added that field into the layout, so I cannot put it directly there. Okay, we just want to show one field to give it one column. Give it one column. Okay, when we select the field, it is asking us prompt template. So we will use this generate account description too, and then you will see that the icon is changed. Okay, save it. Just save it and go back to account. Now, if you will see, this is already generating our record summary using flow. Okay, then we want to generate the description using AI, and you can see the icon has been changed. When you will click on this, it will generate and use that template. Okay, if you want to use this info, use it. The record summary is added to the field. If you see this here, save it, and it has been saved. If you want to change it, you can make changes also. Let me just summary test summary and save it. Okay, so this is how you can use field generation prompt template to generate field values like this. I hope you guys like the video. Thank you so much.